a historic landmark of Trincomalee Campus and the Department of Languages and Communication Studies. We are thrilled to take you on a captivating journey through the historic landmarks of Trincomalee Campus. What sets us apart is our status as the very first digital cinema theatre with DCP Playback in all of Sri Lankan state universities, providing an immersive cinematic experience like no other. With a seating capacity of 130, our theatre offers a comfortable and state-of-the-art setting for both students and cinephiles alike. It's a hub of creativity, learning, and entertainment all rolled into one. This remarkable achievement was made possible through the generous funding of the AHEAD grant from the World Bank.
Queen, directed by Mr. Joel Jarvis, a graduate from the department and currently serving as a lecturer at the Department of Languages and Communication Studies.
The Queen short film, which was directed by our sir, Mr. Joel, has selected in International Cine Film Festival India among 850 short movies. I take this chance to congratulate to our sir. Join us as we explore the world of cinema, education, and innovation. Subscribe to the channel and be a part of this exciting journey with us.